I hope you can understand what I'm saying. I have a strong London accent. I understand that. Firstly, I want to say thank you to the footballers. You've done really well. You've got good touch, good skill. And the coach, keep up the practice. Okay, live your dreams. I understand you all want to be footballers, so keep practicing, and you'll get there. Get there. Um, Firstly, thank you to everyone here from the team: David, Rose, Edison, Claude, and Sophia. Obviously, um, this is a complete shock. I didn't know I was going to be here. Um, Sophia actually told me I was going to go and kill my dinner. So hunting, yeah. So when, so when I came here and I see everyone walking over, it was a nice surprise. Um, so yeah, thank you for everyone being here. I appreciate it. So I'll leave it with Sophia. Sophia, thank you for the day. I had no idea this was being planned. Um, it melt my heart, fair, that you put this much effort into my birthday. Um, Thank you for being there for the tough times and recently not being very well, and you've been there for me. I just want to say thank you and that I love you.